In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface Google's AI-powered results in Chrome and open the richer Gemini experience right from your search page. Start by opening Chrome and heading to Google's homepage. The simplest way is to click the address bar, type google.com, and press Enter. Using Chrome ensures you get the smoothest access to Google's latest search features. Being signed in to your Google account can help, but it isn't strictly required. Next, type your question or research topic into the search box and press Enter. You can ask about anything you're exploring. For example, try a research-style query, like how people decide what information to trust online. Queries that are exploratory, comparative, or ask for explanations tend to showcase AI features more prominently. On the results page, look near the top for an AI overview. This is a summary generated by Google's Gemini models, designed to give you a quick, sourced explanation without replacing the web results below it. You'll often see concise takeaways paired with links to supporting sources so you can verify details and read more deeply. If you don't see an AI overview, it may not trigger for every query or might not yet be available in your region. Trying a more open-ended query usually helps. When the AI overview appears, select Show More. This expands the summary, giving you additional context and more cited links so you can evaluate the information and move confidently from a high-level view into specifics. Think of this as moving from a quick briefing to a fuller outline with references. From there, click Dive Deeper in AI mode. This opens the Gemini-powered experience directly within Search, turning your results into an interactive workspace. In this view, you can ask follow-up questions, request clarifications, or refine your task without starting a new search. It's especially helpful for step-by-step breakdowns, comparing options, summarizing long articles, or planning next actions, all while keeping your sources close at hand. To recap, open Chrome and go to Google, type your question, look for the AI overview, expand it with Show More, and then select Dive Deeper in AI mode to engage with Gemini. If you don't see these options, make sure Chrome is up to date, try a more exploratory query, and remember that availability can vary by region and account features. That's it. Now you know how to get access to Gemini in Chrome and make the most of AI-assisted search.